In today's video, I'm going to teach you to cancel Barclays standing order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to make sure the payment doesn't go out again. A quick reminder before we start. A standing order is a regular payment you set up yourself to send a fixed amount to someone else, like rent or savings. It's different from a direct debit, which the company controls, so be sure you're working with the right type of payment. First, open the Barclays app and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, you'll be on your home or account overview screen. Next, tap Pay and Transfer. This is the section where you handle all things payments, sending money, moving funds between your accounts, and managing anything you've scheduled. Then select Manage Your Payments. This area gathers your upcoming and recurring items in one place, so you don't have to hunt through each account. It's designed to help you quickly review what's due and when. After that, tap Manage Standing Orders. This is important because it narrows the list down to just your standing orders, not direct debits or one-off scheduled payments. If you see both options, make sure you're in the Standing Orders section so you're editing the right thing. Choose the standing order you want to cancel. Take a moment to double-check the details. Look at the payee name, the amount, the frequency, and the next payment date. If you think you might want to set it up again in the future, it can be helpful to note the details before you remove it. Tap Delete or Cancel and confirm your choice. The app wording can vary slightly, but you'll typically see a final confirmation screen. Confirming here will stop future payments on that standing order. Keep in mind that this won't reverse any payment that has already been processed. Make sure you cancel at least one working day before the payment is due, ideally before 5:30 p.m. Working days usually mean Monday to Friday, excluding bank holidays. If you try to cancel too close to the due time, the system may have already queued the payment, and it could still go out. And that's it. Your standing order has been successfully cancelled. You should see a confirmation on screen, and the standing order will disappear from your list. If you ever need it again, you can set up a new one from the same pay and transfer area. Thanks for watching, and well done for taking control of your payments.